Hey guys, this is my second HTML tutorial video, and this video covers putting images into your web page. Now, when you want to put images into your web page, you can do it in two ways. You can do it as a background, or you can just insert it into a web page, like how in Word and PowerPoint you have insert image, like that. So, I'm pretty sure you've probably seen a website written in HTML that has pictures, or any image in fact. That just gives it a little more appeal and engagement upon its users. So, that pretty much makes me conclude that if you don't have an image, your website won't be viewed at all. Because I'm not saying this as a general term for all people, but I'm using it from my experiences. So, I have come to understand that most people look for the user interface and engagement upon first sight. And what does that say? It is saying that people want to look at things that are colorful and engaging for them to view. And if they don't have that, then what's the point of even going to a website in the first place? Now, I'm here to rectify that, so let's start putting an image in. Now, before we can put the image in, I'd like to show you what the website looks like so far. See, this very dull, drab, and uninteresting piece of data is going to be ignored the second somebody sees this plain background and the text. I mean, I have nothing against Times New Roman, but still, it's a little uninteresting. So, I'm going to make a background that can help you make your website a little more appealing and interesting. So, in your body tag, after body, type in background. As you can see here, background equals bn striate .jpg. Now, what the hell is this stuff? I mean, what is bn striate? What is that? Now, that is actually the name of my background, and I know it's gibberish, and yes, I did name it. But it still is useful no matter what the file name is. I mean, I could easily change the name and it would still be the same file. So we will save that, we will go back to our website, we will refresh, and wow! God, that looks amazing! I mean, not exactly amazing, but it's a little more appealing than just plain old white background. I mean, have you seen have you just ever stopped and wanted to look at a website that just had a white background and plain text and no other stuff? And you'd rather look at a website that has at least a background. So, I mean, I know that this picture was not scaled properly, and that is due to the size of the image itself. You can't exactly blame it on the programming interpreter. And yes, I do find these corners a little annoying, considering you're having all of these images overlap each other. I mean, not overlap, intersect with each other. So, let's get on to an even more fun topic, which is putting an image into your web page. So, let's do that. We will insert another P or paragraph tag, and we will actually make another tag called A. And in A, we will actually do href equals, and I'll get on to what href means in a minute. HTTPS youtube.com, and I close it off with this comment, with the quotation. Now, what does this mean? Well, it's pretty much making a paragraph, we understand that already, but what is the A tag? The A, href, refers to the hyperreference or hyperlink. If you've seen a hyperlink in Microsoft Word, you would notice that href means, not href, like in a hyperlink, you'd see that the text is blue and underlined, and when you control click it, it will direct you to a web browser, which then opens up the web page. In this case, ahref is pretty much the same thing, and you can identify which is a hyperlink because of the underline that is denoted under https://youtube.com. So, we close off our A tag here, and we'll just add /p and /a just so we could get that over with. Now, this is pretty much inserting a link into a picture as well, so you can kind of take that as a little bonus. And one other thing that you can include, well, to actually get the picture, you have to use this function called image and src for source. Now I have to go get the URL for my image. And I know you can use any image you want, images.google.com. So we go to Google Images, and yes, I do see the goal. And yes, happy World Cup, everybody. Actually, yeah, maybe I can get into the World Cup spirit. So YouTube, World Cup image. Okay, not exactly the image I'm looking for. Actually, Google World Cup image. Okay then. You know what? We'll just go to YouTube. Okay, we have this little logo, and I'll just scroll down so you can see it. Now, the best thing about a logo that has a checkerboard-like square, light square, dark square pattern, is that with the logo, it doesn't exactly have a set background, so you can put it on any background without having to worry about any, like, whites appearing, or any other background color appearing. So, we have to right-click, and you should go all the way down to copy image URL. Now, that pretty much copies the image location onto your clipboard. Then you do Control V or paste. And yeah, I know you cannot see that. I am sorry about that. So, we have our image. Then we will save this. Okay, we'll just open up a new window. Launch in Chrome. And there you have it. We have our YouTube picture. And yes, our website still looks very, very uninteresting. I'm really sorry about not rectifying it immediately. But, this compensates a lot because, it makes our website look a lot more appealing than if you just had a white background and just had please subscribe to LEEDnet, be sure to also comment and like. So, you get the YouTube, and yeah, you practically have you have your hyperlink. So, that concludes this video, and peace out, guys.